As a mother river of China, the Yangtze is home to thousands of species. This includes the Chinese sturgeon, one of the oldest vertebrates on Earth. But the apex predator is on the brink of extinction in the wild due to water pollution and overfishing years ago. Scientists at the Yangtze River Biodiversity Research Center have made significant breakthroughs in artificial breeding and genomic studies to help the critically endangered sturgeon multiply in the lab.
Behind me are about 200 pools nurturing over 3,000 Chinese sturgeon at various stages of growth. Once the fish are over 6 months old and are put through acclimation training, and these fish will be released into the wild in spring next year.
For Dr. Yang Jing, every achievement sheds hope on the survival of this perishing species.
If the Chinese sturgeon were to disappear from Earth, it would be like tearing off a page from a very exciting book that you've never read. I think it would be a pity.
More than 6.5 million artificially bred Chinese sturgeon have been released into the wild over the years. The young creatures swim into the ocean and spend most of their lifetime there. At 13, the adult female fish then return to the Yangtze to spawn.
In recent years, we use satellite markers to trace large individuals and help us learn their migration routes in the ocean and understand their activities. But their survival in the ocean remains the subject of ongoing systematic research.
While the fish protectors eagerly await more homecomings, their fellow botanists are taking care of nearly 2,000 rare plant species at the reservoir. Some date back to the age of the dinosaurs.
The extinction of a plant could bring a series of impacts on certain populations. It could also lead to the extinction of some other plants. It's a collective effect. That's why protecting each species matters for biodiversity.
More than 57,000 endangered plants have been reintroduced along the Yangtze River banks to replenish and expand wild populations.
We're definitely delighted to see the plants we protect have a relatively stable population. And through our continuous efforts and appeals, relevant laws and regulations have been improved, and the public is more aware of the importance of plant protection.
With knowledge and dedication, researchers remain committed to their mission, and their efforts are set to guarantee the Yangtze River's biodiversity for generations to come.